What's wrong? Why are you crying? Shyla. Mommy, why are you crying? Hey. Shyla. Fine. Hey, Shyla. Talking to you. Fine, I not help you. Why are you crying? Talk to me. Why are you crying?
Nothing to Mimi.
Why?
Nothing. I want to watch TV.
Daddy not let you watch TV?
Yeah.
What do you want to watch?
I want cuckoo.
You want Cuckoo?
Yeah.
What Daddy watching?
That's a football.
Daddy watch football?
Yeah. I'm still crying.
You done crying now?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.